Hello guys, it's me Dina and welcome back to my channel. I want to ask you guys to turn on the notification bell on YouTube. Also don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And remember, every time you motivate me, I will be more creative in my videos. And now let's start. Last video we have learned how to say yes. If you didn't watch it, I will leave the link in bio. And in today's video we're gonna learn how to say no. We have two ways, formal and informal. Formal way, لأ, لأ, and لأ, لأ. And for informal way, we use it only when we are not agree about something. So we can say فاكس, فاكس, and فكك, فكك, and فكك, فكك. Another way to say no, but with the sound, it's or mm-mm. You can see the next video to understand.
الوكيل موجود؟ مش موجود.
لا، 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 لا. فاكس، فاكس. فكك، 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 فكك. For yes, we can use more than one word together. For no, we can do that too, but we can't say لأ and لأ together. But we can say لأ فاكس or لأ فاكس. Also we can say لأ فكك, لأ فكك, or لأ فكك, لأ فكك. Usually we use with the لأ and لأ another word to help us to get the meaning. That word is مش, and مش basically means not. عندك موبايل؟ عندك موبايل؟ لا مش عندي، لا مش عندي. انت اسمك جون؟ انت اسمك جون؟ لا انا اسمي مش جون، لا انا اسمي مش جون. هتروح بكرة الشغل؟ هتروح بكرة الشغل؟ لأ فاكس مش هروح، لأ فاكس مش هروح. بتحب تسمع أغاني؟ بتحب تسمع أغاني؟ لأ مش بحب، لأ مش بحب. How to use فكك word. If you want to say stay away from me, or leave me alone, or stop annoying me, we will just use two words to say that. So it is فكك مني, فكك مني, فكك مني, فكك مني, فككوا مني, فككوا مني. But I want you to remember that it's rude if you used فكك word with someone old or someone you don't know. So again, don't use it with someone old or someone you don't know, just between you and your friends. Thank you guys for watching. Please activate the notification bell, and if you are first time watching me, subscribe me now and like the video. Also follow me on Instagram and check the quiz there. See you. Bye bye.